Choose an appropriate farm equipment, classified under harvesting operations. Well done. Rice harvester is the right choice.
From this word cloud, which of these farm equipment used for carrying of crops?
Well reasoned. Grass cutter and water pump is the correct choice.
Which of these farm equipment are being used in post-harvest operations? Strong choice. Rice miller and rice harvester is the right answer. A farm equipment used to separate grains from the harvested crop and provide clean grain without much loss and damage. Nice work. You chose thresher and it is correct. What is the farm equipment in the picture that is used to draw irrigation water from a source? Excellent choice. Water pump is the right answer. These are machines used in crop production which need a highly skilled operator to use. Correct. Farm equipment is the right answer. This farm equipment in the picture is used to remove the husk and bran layers of rice.
Valid point. Rice miller is true.
A farm equipment used to pull a plow and a harrow in preparing a large area of land. Nice selection. Hand tractor is the correct and valid answer. This farm equipment is used for sowing germinated paddy seeds in a rice field. Bravo! Rice seeder is the answer. This is a farm implement used to loosen the topsoil for planting crop. Clear logic. Your choice rotavator is sound and 100% true. This farm equipment is used to remove the outer coat of rice grains. Nicely done. Rice miller is a solid answer. What are the 4 most essential pieces of farm equipment? Correct response. Tractor, cultivator, planter, and harvester is the most accurate answer. Which farm equipment or tool is used for digging? Well picked. Shovel is the correct answer. A farm equipment used for harvesting rice. Exactly. Rice harvester makes sense and it is right choice. What do you call this farm equipment? Smart pick. Corn dehusker is the correct choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Good job. Your answer, contact Narayan Changda, works well here.